It's time to shake the buildings a bit. So I will use the background layer as a mask for that part. I will copy it with Ctrl+C and paste with Ctrl+V commands. I got the background 2 layer and I need to move it under the ground layer. Hold Shift and put it down to the first line. After this step, I want to hide layers that I don't need to animate. I will select the ground layer and the background 2 as well. Lock the layers. Here you will find Hide All Layers from which the shy switch is set. Turn it on. Now I just need to hit the shy icon on the layers that I don't need for now. I will do this with the background as well. Okay, first I will select all layers. When the first one is selected, hold Shift and select the last one. Now all my layers are selected. Hit P keyboard button to open the position settings for selected layers. This means that it's time for the first keyframes. Just hit this stopwatch icon to create the keyframes to the current position of the building parts. The keyframes are created. I will do this on the 20th frame as well. Now I will back to the first layer. Here I need to move all layers under the ground. For example, I will select these parts of the windows. Hold Shift and move the parts under the mask. I will do this with all layers. The process is the same for all parts of the building, so I will speed up it a bit. Cool, all layers are hidden. The animation looks like this for now, and it's time to improve it a bit. Here I will create one more keyframe and make an effect of the jump. I will focus on these parts of the windows as an example. Now our animation flow looks like this. If I select these layers and drop them down a bit, I will get this. The flow is much better. I will do this with other layers as well. Okay, cool. If you want to improve your animation flow even more, select all layers, click with the right mouse button to some of them, Keyframe Assistant, and select Easy Ease, or just use the F9 shortcut. In this part of the tutorial, I created the rough and the first step of the animation. In the next part, I will show you the final touch.